Did you know that agriculture is producing more millionaires than ever before? If you're thinking about getting into farming or agribusiness, you need to know where the real money is. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 most profitable agribusinesses in 2025 that you can start now and make serious income. Stay till the end because number 1 is a game changer. Mushrooms are a high-value crop that grows fast and requires little space. With the rising demand for organic and medicinal mushrooms like lion's mane and reishi, farmers are making huge profits. You can earn up to $10,000 per month from a small mushroom farm. Focus on premium organic mushrooms and sell to health-conscious consumers and restaurants. Traditional farming needs a lot of land, but with vertical farming you can grow more with less space. Hydroponics allows you to grow crops without soil, reducing pests and increasing efficiency. Lettuce, strawberries, herbs, and microgreens, fast-growing and high-profit. Big demand from urban areas, hotels, and supermarkets. More people are switching to organic, chemical-free chicken and eggs. Free-range eggs sell for higher prices compared to conventional eggs. Raise chickens naturally, market them as organic, and target high-end customers. You can also sell chicken manure as organic fertilizer. Instead of selling raw farm produce, turn them into processed products like dried fruits flour, organic spices, or herbal teas. Cassava flour, coconut oil, or packaged farm-to-table meals. Processed goods have higher profit margins than raw produce. Partner with local farmers, process their produce, and sell under your brand. Honey demand is growing, especially for organic and medicinal honey. Low maintenance, multiple income streams, honey, beeswax, pollination services. Produce specialty honey like propolis-infused honey for higher profits. Small-scale beekeepers earn $5,000 plus per season. There you have it, the top 5 most profitable agribusinesses in 2025. Which one interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more money-making farming ideas. See you in the next video.